Could you talk about fear, doubt, and jealousy in a relationship while trying to manifest your SP to love and adore you more? Can you make a vid on jealousy and how to stay grounded and focused on the end? Hi, Chelsea. I was wondering if you have any tips on overcoming jealousy. Thank you all for your recommendations. This is that video. I absolutely love talking about this topic, even though I don't do it very often on this channel. The reason being is only because attracting an SP isn't really something that's on my list of desires right now. I like to focus more personally on becoming a person who could attract anyone as opposed to just one individual person. That resonates with me more right now. But if you have one person in mind who makes your heart sing, makes your eyes light up, you want to marry this person and commit to this person, and that's what you want, I love that goal. I genuinely do love it, and I want to help you attain that. The things I'm going to talk about in this video may not resonate with you, so please don't be mad at me if it just doesn't feel right to you. I do take a very alternative approach to manifesting, and none of that changes even when I'm trying to manifest somebody to adore me, if even for a little while. So first things first, fear, jealousy, and doubt are children of lack. It's a lack mindset that makes us feel jealousy over our companions, fear of losing them, and doubt that they could ever love us or appreciate us in the way that we desire them to. From my perspective, the fault lies in a flawed self-image. If we truly believed that we were worthy, amazing, and wonderful, then why would we ever worry about someone leaving us or not wanting us in the first place? If the problem begins in the self-image, then perhaps the solution may begin there too. I think we must rectify the way we see ourselves in relation to the other person and in relation to the other people in the world too. The simplest way that I know of to do this is by adjusting our focus. Which parts of yourself are you choosing to acknowledge, and which parts of yourself are being denied? Do you unconsciously forget all of the things that make you great while always remembering all the little things that may make you mediocre? Have you forgotten that you are a catch? Are you no longer aware of why this specific person may find you lovable and valuable? When we pay more attention to our shortcomings, we develop a negative self-concept. Then it becomes only logical to believe that nobody would ever love us or appreciate us. Then it's only logical to feel jealousy, doubt, and fear. So, of course you wouldn't want anyone else talking to your specific person, because based upon your long list of shortcomings, you just can't compete. If we can adjust our focus and be honest with ourselves with the intention of noticing our glories, not just our perceived flaws, we can build a better self-image, a better self-concept. It could really be so wholesome that all fear, doubt, and jealousy would dissipate. We can allow ourselves to believe that it's only logical for our specific people to be attracted to us and to love us and to want us, to desire us as much as we do them. And when we assume it's logical, we can give them a chance to conform or attract someone else the universe deems more fit, which is still a win. For example, I love examples. Let's pretend we are a person. Let's pretend we are Henry. And let's look over the highlights and the lowlights of our entire lives. Let's pretend that throughout our life, one of our first lowest points was when we were overweight and feeling very unhappy in our body. Our health was declining and we just didn't feel beautiful. One of our highlights, however, was changing that reality. We began eating in a way that honored our body and exercising to improve our health, and it did. One of our flaws may be that perhaps our apartment just is not the prettiest. However, the fact that we even have our own apartment could be viewed as a very attractive trait. It means we're independent, responsible, we're successfully adulting, and that's great. We may not speak another language like some other people can. However, we are the most artistic and profound individuals on the market. And we can say that honestly. If we focus solely on our list of shortcomings, our body is not perfect, our apartment doesn't resemble prestige, we are not cultured or exotic, we will feel jealousy and fear and doubt that our chosen people could ever want us. Like with any desire, when manifesting it, the change starts from within. We have control over what we choose to focus on, but that's all we need to control in order for our worlds around us to conform. It is not an easy task, looking at yourself honestly, but I encourage you to try. Make a list of all the reasons why you are eligible, of all the reasons why your SP would logically want you, and keep going with this list until you truly feel how worthy you really are. Now, I won't provide an example for this one because it's pretty self-explanatory. Now, I'm going to share another method that I don't really hear being spoken of in this community. It's a little bit more self-development and a little less manifesting-esque, as described by the New Age understanding of manifesting. But I'm with the school of thought that no matter how you achieve your desire, as long as you achieve it while doing harm to none, it counts as manifesting. I say this because I honestly believe there is absolutely nothing wrong with taking actions that feel right in order to manifest your specific person, or anyone for that matter. Self-care is one of the greatest ways to attract romance into your life. Putting yourself first, not only in thought, but also in action, is a wonderful, wonderful way to attract the love that you desire from anyone. How you treat yourself is how others will treat you. Note that treating yourself is an action, and it involves a myriad of things, from grooming to an honorable diet, and by that I mean choosing foods that both you and your body loves. Skincare, hair care, there is absolutely nothing wrong with adorning yourself in styles that make you feel confident and changing your appearance to reflect your highest self. This could be done through simple things like makeup and style. Become a person that even you are attracted to. When you're attracted to yourself, when you can feel how amazing you are, others will reflect that confidence in you. Others will reflect that attraction to you, including your chosen person. That is manifesting. Even though these are external actions, they have derived from inspiration, and they should be followed, and sometimes they have to be in order to bring your manifestation to full fruition. So what are some ways in which you can show yourself some love? In what ways could you feed your mind, your soul, and your body? What can you do to reflect the most magnificent version of yourself? To summarize this whole video, first, focus on what makes you great and put aside your shortcomings. If you've ever made a mistake, one that you still hold yourself accountable for, it's time to let it go and instead recognize how you solved it. Make that list of all the reasons why you're amazing and awesome and attractive. Secondly, and this is super important, do what you know you have to do to feel attractive and great. Now, I don't want you to take this as an invitation to start mimicking other people who seem amazing. I want you to honor your inspiration by following it. What are some things that you have been meaning to do for yourself? Whatever they are, do them. Embody all of the most attractive qualities that you can think of until you can feel how attractive you really are. And when that happens, your specific person, and other people too, will be able to see them. And with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I truly do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I trust you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this one. So, how did you like today's video, and what video would you like to see next? Let me know in the comment section down below. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Toodles.